McKinney Police Department is searching for Cameron Anthony Gurish, white male, 14 years old, date of birth January 24th, 1998, 5 feet, 5 inches, 80 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes with unknown clothing description. The McKinney Police Department is also searching for Caitlin Amber Gurish, white female, 10 years old, date of birth May 17th, 2002, 4 feet, 6 inches, 65 pounds, red hair, green eyes with unknown clothing description. Police are also looking for Craig Allen Gurish, white male, 44 years old, date of birth September 8th, 1967, 5 feet, 10 inches, 175 pounds, brown hair, blue eyes with unknown clothing description. Introduction. The suspect is driving a black Honda Accord with Texas license plate number DL7G605. The suspect was last heard of at 3517 Copper Ridge, McKinney, Texas. The Dallas Fort Worth believes this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the McKinney Police Department at 972-547-2809. News media points of contact is McKinney Police Department at 972-547-2700.